Yes, hello, it's time to get ready. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is a get ready with me, and we are going to brunch today. All right. Okay, so I gotta get raw. Okay, so for today's video, I still got water on me. For today's video, I'm pretty much gonna get ready with you all as it's time to go to brunch. We literally have 45 minutes to get ready. My friend is on her way so that we can head on out. So just to get started, I always start my skincare. And based on what I'm wearing, I'm gonna have to do my skincare and then put my shirt on because I don't want my shirt getting messed up pretty much. So yeah, that was her texting me. But okay, so I'm starting off with my lavender toner. Right out the shower, lavender toner. I take my cotton rounds and I just do a light exfoliation with that. There's our little something left on the skin. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Serum. This is a moisturizer, but it's really like a serum too. It can be used as both. So I'll just throw that on. And today's brunch is really just so that I can step out, pop out. Hey, how are you? You haven't seen me in how long? I find that when I am very busy and I'm doing YouTube, I don't go out. Like, I don't go out. I try not to go out because I try to just focus on recording and editing. But it's like, how can you live a life with just recording and editing, okay? That's a little crazy, okay? Just a little crazy. So we're gonna pop out today, baby. We're gonna pop out today. So before I go and put on everything else, I'm gonna go put on my shirt. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I'm wearing this little bodysuit or whatever. I'm gonna just go ahead and start my primer. I'm just really sad right now. Like, I can't even get through this video, but we're gonna get through this video. So Kobe Bryant just passed away, and I'm really sad. Like, this is a shock. This is very much a shock. I don't even know what to say. I was supposed to do this video and talk about the brunches that happened in Boston, and now I'm talking about Kobe Bryant, okay? I'm just sad because, like, if many of y'all don't know, I actually used to play basketball, and granted, I didn't watch the Lakers or Kobe like that, but like the girls and a lot of the guys around me just love Kobe Bryant. Like, my friends would have just arguments about him, and I'm just like, what happened? Like, so that just happened. But again, this is a get ready with me, so we're just gonna keep this flowing very natural, okay? This is what's going down right now. We are going to Tiki Rock. I've actually never heard of this place. Just a few postings I would see around about Tiki Rock, and I think they have sushi, which is a good thing because I love sushi. And I just really want to just have a good time today. Like I said before, I'm always working, I'm always doing something, and there has been a lot going on, you know, just in general, a lot has been going on. So I just want to go out, show out, pop out. What's up? Okay, what's up? Just want y'all know I'm using my Precision Brow Pencil. Honestly, this is a Joya, I think, pencil. I've been using this for the last few weeks, love it, but honestly, I can't even see what it is anymore. But it's a pencil and it works because I need to re-up on my makeup, okay? So it's called Brunch So Hard, and pretty much like everyone in the city goes there on Sundays. It's free. You really kind of just expect it to be lit sometimes because when it's nice out, that's when everyone pops out like me. It's nice out right now, so that's why I'm going outside. I call Sundays Side Hustle Sundays, okay? Now, what is Side Hustle Sunday? You would ask yourself. What is Side Hustle? I'm gonna tell you what Side Hustle Sundays are. Side Hustle Sundays is the day that you get everything done and more, okay? So whether you gotta go do laundry, or you gotta record and edit, or you got some homework to do, or cook dinner, that's part of Side Hustle Sunday. But the real part, or the real meaning of Side Hustle Sunday, is making a hustle, okay? So this is really hard. I really don't, like, I did one get ready with me, which was pretty alright, but I really just don't understand how people, like, I can't talk and do my makeup at the same time. Like, I really can't talk and do my makeup at the same time. But I want to get cute today, okay? I want to get cute. You know, a lot has been going on, and I'm just like, I need a break from life, like everything. So yeah, side hustle Sundays are like my days to get to it and get into it. Popping, rolling, dipping, twerking, and it's literally for me to make money. Like side hustle Sundays is like the best day for me to make money, because I'm not at my full-time job, I'm not at the shop, I'm not recording, I'm not editing. I might edit or record because that is a part of my side hustle. So as you can see, I am editing and recording right now. But for the most part, like I get up. You know what, I'm just gonna let y'all in on my little secret because I tell about everybody else. So on Sundays, I get up and I personally go, so now I'm about to conceal my eyebrows, okay? I can't do both at the same time. So on Sundays, I get up at like 8 o'clock. I never really sleep in. I was telling myself yesterday, like I really wanna sleep in. Okay, y'all hold on, because I gotta do this. So I'll get up and I have like 3 side hustles on Sundays. I have 3. Now I just one, I have like 3. So side hustles. I should call side hustles Sunday so that people understand it's not just one. It's like 2 or 3 different hustles that I do. But I literally will get up at like 8 o'clock. Sometimes I'll even make breakfast before I even start all this because I know for a fact I'm not coming back home till about 7 o'clock. That I just know for a fact. I do lift, yes. Most people that know me know I do lift. It's not like a big secret, but it's just something like I don't like to disclose, I guess. It's just, I don't know. I like to keep side hustle Sundays, to myself, but I really think it's important for people to have side hustles. I don't think living off of 1 paycheck is enough. I don't think living off of 2 paychecks is enough. I don't even think living off 3 paychecks is enough, okay? 3 paychecks, that ain't nothing. So it's very important to me to make sure that I have income coming in. You know, I do YouTube, and YouTube is not cheap, okay? Especially if they ain't paying you yet. So it's just like you have to find means to buy all your makeup, to buy all these clothes, to buy all this equipment. Ain't nobody paying you. So for the most part, it's like, all right, let me get out here, bust these rides, and let's get it. One thing about Lyft that I really enjoy is the fact that yes, you can make your own schedule. You can turn it on and off. So I'll turn it on and then I'll drive until I'm like hungry or something, and I'll turn it off and get food, and then I'll turn it back on. Now, Lyft is not always in high demand all the time. So, you know, you have its competitors, Uber, and then there was this other one I used to use, but it wasn't Lyft. I forget what it's called. It used to have like a green icon, but it wasn't Lyft. It was literally something else. Doing that, it's like I do it all day until the demand slows down. Sometimes the demand will slow down around like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Today the demand was high. Like everybody was out there today, but I was like, no, I'm enjoying my day. Like it's so nice out today. I'm not about to be stuck in the house. So literally I will just do it, and that's another thing. I know y'all like, she is just going, but I don't do Lyft at night. Most of the time I do not do Lyft at night. It's very dangerous. You all hear the stories about people getting kidnapped and shot and this, that, and the third. I got maced, okay? My sister hooked me up. But like I have forms of protection. Next would be a freaking camera install, but we ain't gonna get there yet. But I only do Lyft in the morning, so again, I do it until I get about tired, and then after I move on to the next thing. Okay, you feel me? So I'm going with my foundation. This is Make It Forever R520. And I'm going in with this now. So I will do Lyft up until the point that it's time to move on to the next side hustle. So Sundays are my days I get a lot of makeup appointments, and that's something that I do too. So for example, this morning I had one client at 10 o'clock. So I got up, did her makeup, and then I turned on Lyft. Now she's like, oh, is there a certain area you're gonna go to before you start? I'm like, nope, I'm gonna just turn this on right in front of your house, literally. bop, turn on, first ride. I don't like driving to look for passengers because you're wasting way more gas than actually driving by doing that. So I just kind of idle myself. So like I said, I don't go back home. So I'll have, you know, a little snack on me. I'll have some reading material. Sometimes I bring my computer and I'll go sit in a Starbucks, you know, just to kind of wait out the time that it's not at high demand. And even with makeup, it's like I'm doing it mostly in the morning. So sometimes the rides are happening. I'm so scared I'm gonna get this on me. Let's tuck it. We're gonna tuck it. So this is a little trick. We're gonna just tuck this because I don't got time. I keep going like this and we're not doing that today. So yeah, so I basically go into Starbucks, you know, I'll chill out in there, I'll edit a video, you know, I might read a magazine, right? You know, I might write down some ideas for a video. Sometimes I'll even go to the gym. Like I'll go to the gym in between, but you know, I don't have a set goal. I just like to do it because it's Sunday and why not make money? Like, all right, so now I'm going in with my concealer on Monday. Okay, so I literally just set my face with my micro smooth powder. No, I lied. So I just set my face with my Beauty Bakery flour powder. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So yeah, I just want underneath my eyes, on my mouth, and my forehead. So to finish off this Side Hustle Sunday really, really strong, I am gonna edit this video. I'm gonna make sure this video gets uploaded as well this week. So my biggest thing too, you know, again, back to kind of the planning phases of YouTube. Sundays, again, about making money because that's what Side Hustle Sundays are for, but it's also about leveraging up yourself. So, you know, I'll notice things that I haven't done earlier in the, you know, last week that I would not like to bring into the following week. So one of them being I did not record at all this week, did not. And I don't want to bring that into the new week because again, it's like, you know, why even do this if I'm not going to be consistent with it? So, you know, those Sundays are like my days of reflection as well, again, to like going off at Starbucks or so I really enjoy Side Hustle Sundays. I feel like I have, you know, just enough energy for that, like back to feeling tired. Some days I am very tired from all the things that I do, but I'm not tired of actually doing them. Like I get a lot of energy from running around Boston and doing this, doing that, and doing this, and then it's like, okay, at the end of the day, yeah, I'm tired, but like during it, I have like this like adrenaline rushing through me, like, oh, okay, I did this now, let me do this, let me do that. So that being in that mindset keeps me going, keeps me focused, and again, it just sets me up for the week. Like if I start off my Sunday not doing Side Hustle Sunday, not editing, not recording, not even looking at anything, I already know that my week is not going to be where it needs to be. So last week being away, this, and then I didn't record, I didn't go to the gym, I forced myself to edit, and that was really, really hard. So, you know, just being able to start the week off nice, good, ready to go, it sets the tone. It really sets the tone. So now I'm going to take my Kylie, this is Tawny Mommy, and I am going to bronze my face. And literally, I just use this to bronze my cheeks. Literally, you know, you bronze your face, your cheeks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. This eyeliner is a little small, but I don't know what to do with that. So we're gonna use this one. This is the Micro Tip Stila Stay All Day, and I'm literally just gonna line my eyes. Okay, now the fun part. Okay, so I just need to basically bump my hair, not really straighten it like that. Clip side. So pretty much this is my final look. I literally use this look when I just need to get to it and go, okay? Just making sure that my foundation is very flawless, you know, make sure that I have lashes on, and you know, if I could do a pop of lip, I will do a pop of lip. So if you have any questions at all, whether it's the makeup, the products that I used in this video, whether it's questions about lip, other questions about Side Hustle Sunday, we can get more in depth in Side Hustle Sunday. We're gonna get a little bit more in depth, or just in general. Again, we definitely just found out just now that Kobe Bryant's daughter also passed away. So it's just a lot going on right now. Like, it's just a lot. Like, this is really, really sad. But I just wanted to just, you know, do this video with you all. Get ready with me because I'm about to go break a leg. Okay. All right. I will see you all later. And don't forget to comment, like, and definitely subscribe. All right. See you later.